Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to get the free avatars from ActorCore and import into your Unreal Engine game project to make all these avatar to become one of your main avatar or any of the NPC in your game project. First, what you are going to do is scroll down, go to the video description there. In the video description, I already put a link there. It says ActorCore URL link. Just click into the first link. Then it will automatically pop out the ActorCore website. And here you have to log in. You have to log in just by using your Gmail, your Google account. It's okay already. For me, I already logged in there. To get this 4 free avatar, what you need to do is just click the actor. Then here you have to click free. Totally is 4. You have 4 free avatars here. In order to get it for free, you have to make sure or already click the baskets to make sure that it already go to the carts. Now, 3 of these I already get it for free just now, and now only left ones. You make sure just tick 4 of them to make sure it turn on the green color baskets, and you click one more time. Now it's the time to check out. It is just free, $0. No need any credit cards. You can just click check out. Then you can get it. Once you already finish the order, you just need to go and point your mouse cursor here. You should be able to see the inventory. Under the inventory, click the actor. Now you can see 4 of these free avatars are here. To download it, you just need to click any one of it and wait for a while. Now this is a preview for you. It will show it here. Right. In order to download for your Unreal Engine game project, you just need to click here. So this one I'm going to pause it and click download. The target applications I choose Unreal for Unreal Engines. Maximum texture size, embed texture, ticket, and finally I click download. Compressing items. Just wait for a while until it finishes. It will automatically download the FBX file. It will download as a zip file. You just need to wait for a while until it finishes. Now, this is the Google Chrome browser. Once it finished downloaded, click here and click Show in Folder. Now, this is the latest ones, ActorCore Unreal 1024. I just right click here, extract all, click extract all. This is a zip file. Now, once you already finish extract it, you can see the ActorCore Unreal 1024. It is here. What you need to do is just double click in under the actor folder, party F001. It is here. This is an FBX file that's ready for your Unreal Engine game project. What you need to do is just open the Unreal Engine, and now open your game project there and wait for a while. Now it is loading. This is a demo game project that I created. This is a third-person game project. Now you can see this is a third-person game project. What I'm going to do is click the content here. And here I right click, create a new folder, ActorCore Avatar. Enter. I double click in. And next, you drag in the FBX file that you downloaded and extracted from the zip file. You drag in. Now, at here, import the animations. Alright, this is just a normal import. You can just ignore the setting. Just import first, import all, and wait for a while. Now it is importing. Alright, once it finish imported, you will see the message log is here. You can just close the message log. You can see your skeleton mesh is at there, and this is the skeleton. You double click the skeleton mesh and have a check now. This is the avatar that you just imported. Now, in order to make her to become the NPC in your game, it is pretty easy. First, just follow my step by step here. Close first, click the contents, go into the mannequin, go into the character, go into the mesh folder. You can see the Unreal Engine 4 mannequin skeletons. This is the mannequin. Alright, if you try to test play your project, you can see the main avatar is the mannequin. It's the default avatar in your Unreal Engine game project. First, this is the default map. You have to click the mannequin and press delete the button to delete it first. And make sure there's no mannequin in your map. Next, click the content and enter the ActorCore avatar again. Next, we want to make the party F0001 to become the main avatar or NPC of your Unreal Engine game. First, you must double click the skeletons and then click the Retarget Manager to make sure you turn on the Retarget Manager. Select rig, you must make sure here select humanoid rig. Then clear. Click clear to make sure you clear everything here. Alright, next you click save and close. Alright, next step, you have to go to the control, go into the mannequin folder, go into the character, the mesh, and double click the UE4 mannequin skeletons. Click the Retarget Manager to turn this part on. Select the humanoid rig. Select the humanoid rig. Next, make sure you do not click clear. Make everything maintain at here, and you click save, close. Alright, next, you have to back to your content folder, and then you double click your ActorCore avatar. The skeleton mesh, it's shown as a pink color skeleton mesh. Click and press F2 to copy the name. Next, create a new folder on your desktop as demo. Ctrl V to get into the same name. You have to export this as FBX file. Right click, export. The asset actions, export is at here. Export on the desktop. The folder name is there. And export it as FBX file and click save. Click export. Alright, now you can see it already exported as FBX file here. This is very important in order to import it. So next, you have to get the 3D Exchange pipeline and also go and download the UE Motions iClone format. Go and click into this link, download Unreal Engine Motion in iClone format. Once you download it, it is a zip file, and you extract it, it will become the iClone Motion files in the folder. We need all of this. You open your 3D Exchange. Next, you drag in the FBX file here. Drag in and click OK. And wait for a while. Now it is importing. Next, click convert to non-standard, and here you need to click yes. Next, plot the skeletons properly here. Which one is the head? So the CC base head. This is the CC base head. It is here. Next, plot the neck. This one, and here, this one. Alright. Next, you plot it properly. This is just a one-time job. Sorry, this is the hand. You have to plot on the hand, and you have the fingers as well here. Just plot it completely, one by one. Now is the middle finger. And you have two more fingers. Make sure you plot in a correct position there. The last finger. Alright, now here we have to go to another hand. It is at another side, the left hand. And all the fingers here at the left hand. Now it's the index finger, the middle finger, and you have the last finger here. Alright, next, you have to plot the body. This is the hip. The hip should be this. You can just double click and check the skeleton name. The CC base hip is here. Now, the next one, the spinal, 1 and 2. Enough. Next is the thigh, the leg, and the foot. Now done, you can just tick active and click convert. Once you finish convert it, at the same folder on the desktop, you export it as iAvatar. File, export as. You browse the folder, it's on the desktop. Party F0001, click OK. Then click OK. Now it exports as an iAvatar for you to stand by. At this time, you can just go and download the second link, download the Unreal Engine Motion iClone format. Once you download it, extract it, and open it. In your 3D Exchange 7, you try to find the motion library, and then you import all of this into the motion library, and we check one by one. It should be no problem. Next, we click Add All to perform here, and then next, it is under your Party F0001 folder. You create a new folder here, name it as Motions. Double click in, and then you click Export as FBX here. and copy the folder destination, Ctrl C, and paste here, Ctrl V. The target 2 preset, we choose Game Engine Unreal. And here we only want the animations. So untick include the geometry. The file name you remain the same. Then click OK. Click OK. Now you just need to wait for a while until it all exported as FBX. Now it's your time to back to the Unreal Engine here. It is still inside your ActorCore avatar folder. You create a new folder here, right click new folder. Name it as Motions. You double click in, open the motion folder, and you import all of this motion into here. The skeletons, you must choose the party F0001 skeletons. The animation length, you must choose the animated time, and then you click import all, and here you have to wait for a while until it finishes. Alright, once it finishes transfer, it will show a message log. You can just close the message log. You can see under the motion folder, all are ready. If you double click, you can check it. It is working, and you can close it first. Next, what you are going to do is go back to the content folder and enter the mannequin. Go into the animation folder. As just now, you already set the avatar mesh Unreal Engine 4 mannequin skeletons into the humanoids. Just now, you have to click Retarget Manager to make sure you select the humanoid already. Close. For this time, you go back to the content and go to the mannequins, animations, third-person animation blueprint. You can just right-click here, retarget, and click duplicate animation blueprint and retarget. Here you choose the party F0001 skeletons and click retarget. Alright, next, what you are going to do is it automatic back to the content folder, all of this. So you can just click here to open the navigation here. What you need to do is go into your ActorCore avatar folder. That is the motion. So here you can just right click new folder and create another motion retargeted. Alright, this retargeted, we just want to back to the content folder and move all of this. You click the first one, hold the shift buttons, and click the last ones, drag into the motion retargeted, and click move here. Next, you go into the motion retargeted folder here. Alright, once you already move, the first thing what you need to do is to rename this. The third person animation blueprints, you right click, rename, you add an underscore, and here you have to put the same name as the party /f party-f-0001. Put the name properly, name it properly, and enter. Next, double click the third person's Eidolon 2D. And here, the first one, the idol, you check the name at the side, the party F0001 third person idol. Drag it and drop into the first point. Next, the second point, you have to look for the party F0001 third person walk. Drag and drop into the second point. And finally, it is the last point, you have to look for the run. The party F0001 third person run, the Unreal, drag and drop into the last point. And now, click Save and Close. Before you close, you can hold the shift to check. Now, everything already retargeted properly. You hold the shift, you can move the green color. You hold the shift, you can move it. Alright. Now you close this. Next, you can just look for third person idle. At the same folder, third person idle, third person run. You hold the control and click third person run, and hold the control to click the third person walk. These three, we just press delete button to delete it, and press force delete. Now we only left three of this. The first one is the third person jump. The third person jump, you press delete buttons and replace by using the party F001, the third person jump. You must choose the character, the avatar's name, followed by the same name as the third person jump. Okay. Replace this. Replace reference and click OK. And then save selected. Next one, click the third person jump loop. Press delete buttons and you replace by using the party F0001, the third person jump loop. The third person jump loop is here. Click and click replace references, click OK and click save selected. Next, we are going to delete the third person jump start. So click here, delete. Make sure you replace by choosing the party F0001, third person jump start. Here, it is here. Look at the file name. Replace and click OK. And click save selected. Alright, finally, we already can make this avatar to become your main avatar. What you need to do is just click edit, click the project setting, click the maps and modes, click selected game modes, default pawn class. This is for you to change. But before that, you still have lack of one more step. You have to close first. Go to the content. Go to the third person blueprint. Go into the blueprint. You should be able to see a third person character here. You right click and duplicate. Name it as the third person character underscore. And what is the file name? The party F2, the party F0001, enter. Double click and open. Click the mesh, click the viewport. The skeleton mesh, we have to choose the party F0001. And then the animation class, we have to choose the third person animation blueprint party F0001. Now you can see this avatar already ready to use. You can just click compile and click close. Next, click the edit, click the project setting, click the maps and modes. The selected game mode here, the default pawn class, you already can choose the third person character party F0001. This is the file name. Click. It will automatically save. You can click close. And now you try to play the game. You can see this avatar, the party F0001, already become the main avatar of your game. Now she is the game avatar. You also can make her to become the NPC in your game. You just need to drag one at here. Then you press E to rotate. Now when you try to play, you can see you yourself is the main avatar, and here this is an NPC that already added into your game project. Alright. That's all for today about how to get the 4 free avatar from the ActorCore and import into your Unreal Engine to make any of these avatar to become the main avatar of your game or become any of the NPC in your Unreal Engine game project. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy, happy animation and game developing. See you.